Hello guys, good evening. There is Suhaib Khalik Pinzari. Today date is 8th of March 2022 and this is my first video. So today's topic is exception handling in Java. So let's start what is exception handling. So first we see exception handling. First, we see what is exception and we get some information about exception. So, exception is unexpected, unwanted, abnormal situation which occurred due to runtime in a runtime. So, exceptions are so many types. So for example, if we work on our PC or we work on some project, if our project is 90% done and after it power is occur in this in this period, at that time our program and our project our PC is shut down and we does not chance to save this program, and this program or this project is erased from the memory of our computer or PC, and we want to repeat this program or this project. So this is a exception and we give a name of exception is a power cut exception. So many types of exception are occurred. So our today's topic is exception handling. The name self indicates. So what is exception handling? Exception handling means when exception is occurred, at that time we handle this exception. It's called as exception handling, and we handle our exception under this exception, and our program or our work is run particularly, and it is called as exception handling. In Java, so many types of exceptions are comes. So some example of exceptions. So first is a arithmetic exceptions, which comes at that time we do a sum or we write a sum method or some statement. It is does not in our arithmetic operations, means like if we write some number and if we divide it by 0, at that time it throws exception, and which name is arithmetic exception. So second one exception comes in Java, that is string out of bound exception. In that, if our string size is if we write a string and if you want to add some data in this string, or its length or its length is or it is not accept this data, at that time it shows index or it shows index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, as same as array index out of bound exception. In that, if we write array which length is 5, and if we write a sum statement, like if we put or add element in this particular array, at that time this shows the exception which is an out of bound exception. So for this exception handle and our program is run without any our program is run without any exceptions. At that time we use exception handling. Exception handling is used by the main methods and which is try and catch method. This is a exception handler methods. Means if we use try and catch method, at that time in a try method block, we write our statement. If sometime our our try block statement is false or it is a accepted exception statement, at that time it does not stop our program but it executes our program and it's only stop or it's only stop this process which gives our exception. Exception handling, it does not mean our program in our program that if we write our program and if we run it multiple times, but at some time our program is give some exception, normal exception, and that time our whole program is stopped and it does not run for this little exception. Hence we use here exception handling. If in case in our program some exceptions created, then our program does not stops but it is running smoothly and fully. So that is exception handling. In a try catch block, we write a statement which we write a statement and we have and this statement about this statement we doubt about this statement if is in some case these statements give us and throw exceptions, and at that time we write this statement, this particular statement in a try block, and after it we create a catch block. In a catch block we write a exception handler. Means if we think and we doubt about this particular exception, this gives us a arithmetic exception or array index out of bound exception, some exception. At that time we write in our catch block and catch block parenthesis we write a exception type here, means arithmetic exception, or we do not know about which exception comes out after this statement is work or if this statement is done. At that time we write in parenthesis of catch block is simple exception or e. At that time if we write exception or e, then it is catch all types of exceptions in which we in all types of exception we created in a try block. So this is all about exception handling. Okay, thank you.